Zay!
Hey, what's... Is that pee?
Yeah, it is. Is it your dog's?
No, it was you.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Why would I possibly pee on the floor?
Because you're white.
Well, so are you. Look, okay? Your dog did that. Oh, Jinkies, my glasses. I found them, fam. Oh no, I don't want to do this.
Look it! Look what you did! Look what you did!
In the arms of the...
Did you learn your lesson? Get into the kennel! Get to the kennel right now! Get to the kennel! Hiya! I get to the kennel! Hiya! 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 Zane! Why? Interrupted my shower!
Look at what your dog did to your couch.
It wasn't a dog, it was you!
The dog is right there on the couch. It cannot be me. It's right there. Why do you always blame me for what your dog is doing?
Why do you always blame the dog?
Because it's obviously doing it.
No, it's not!
Why would I be doing these things?
Because I told you, you're white!
Ah! Hey man, look, I'm really sorry about yelling. Who's the idiot who spelled dead wrong? Also, hey man, you dead? Hey. You did this! You spelled dead wrong! Thanks for killing the dog. Let's get out of here. I'm so glad we got out. Oh God, look out!
All part of the plan.